Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. I want to take my son to Adventure Island today, but this house is looking really bad. I've been so busy editing and putting up videos that I let my house go. So what I decided to do is spend 10 minutes cleaning each room in my house. So this is going to be a 1-hour speed clean video. Have a great weekend, everyone. And I still have 1 minute and 20 seconds to spare. So I'm gonna stop it. And I'm gonna add 1 minute and 20 seconds to the next 10 minutes. So it's gonna be 11 minutes and 20 seconds to do other rooms. My sweet baby eating his cashews. Easter grass, pain in my more Easter grass. Hey, I found an Easter egg. I found an Easter egg. That's so funny. Guys, I'm gonna have to bleach this table. I got spaghetti sauce stain on it. And ink, which ink I can get off with alcohol. Yes, I know. Wow, you got an Easter egg. Let me see. Show them your Easter egg. Wow, what color is it? Yellow.
Yeah.
You want me to open it?
Yeah.
Say open.
Up.
Okay. Okay, so I ran out of time on that one. That's beeping again. All right, here we go. 10 minutes on to the next one. So we've got kitchen done, dining room done except for vacuuming, and on to this tragic stuff that's on the love seat I've been putting off for almost a week now, and I really need to get to it, but I'm gonna do it tomorrow, I think. Procrastinating. So the timer went off. Whew. I'm out of breath from cleaning the living room. All right, it's good cardio. All right, I'm gonna do 10 more minutes. This time I'm gonna do the office area. Okay, here we go. Oh my goodness, where to start? We can start by putting this dining room chair in the dining room. Okay, my 10 minutes is up. Office is as good as it's gonna get. I'm not gonna work on it anymore. So I'm gonna do the bathroom next. So here we go. Okay, ooh look, 11:11. Okay, so these are the products that I use to clean my bathroom with. This is that Lysol toilet bowl cleaner that I got from the Dollar Tree, and it works amazing. I love it. And then this is just to disinfect. Also, I wanted to show you guys these baby wipes that I use. They're from Aldi, and I absolutely love them. It's 11:23. Okay, we're on our way to Adventure Island. Are you excited, Aaron? Yeah, we're ready and we're going.